for any pedestrian cyclists. And now I'm scanning the traffic. Before I turn out there, I want both lanes of traffic to be clear, because that guy could make a lane change at the last second. There we go. Got lots of time now. And I want to get my speed up to 50 right away, so I'm staying ahead of that traffic behind you here. To adjust my mirror a little bit. So Matt, your speed management's awesome. It's right bang on. You're not going over or under by too much. See, I'm at 52, so that's normal. That's 51, 52, 49 now. And your lane changes are great. They'll ask you to make a left at the lights up here, and they'll leave it up to you when to do the lane change. So right now I'm scanning behind us. I noticed that I can wait a little bit longer before making a left lane change. Right about here. Signal, mirror, left blind spot. It all depends on the traffic situation though when you decide to make your lane change, right? Here you cut in too soon. So signal, mirror, left blind spot, wait till you're right here.
Okay.
And that's all before the white lines. Solid green, you stopped right here, way too far, way too soon.
I had to, but I couldn't go, I had to stop.
Not at the line.
Wait.
Not before the line. Out in the intersection. I'll show you where. Just didn't get the opportunity there because there was no traffic coming, so I could just go, right? 3-point turn, stellar 3-point turn. Signal, mirror, right blind spot. Stop, signal, mirror, left blind spot. So you got this down to the science here. Your 3-point turn is really, really good. I'm looking around. There we go. Left. Right turn at the stop sign. And I'm positioning my vehicle, angling it to the right a little bit, stopping before the sidewalk. Right turn. So now here, the light was green for you.
Mm-hmm.
It was green.
And I stopped.
You did.
Okay,
The light turned yellow.
to?
No, because when it's green for you, what color is it for them?
Red, so
Red.
I just go.
Yeah. So you just kind of roll out here on the red light though. Make sure it's clear, looks good.
So there I was supposed to go right away.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still confused about that one over there.
Okay. Go practice that one. Definitely.
Like, what do you mean though? Like, I couldn't stop?